respect you. I know, and I'm not going to talk about it. Came to my races, I told you it was $10,000. I ain't looking for no 32 car field. I'm looking for 10, 20 cars per class so that we can get this done. Get the money made. I'm used to running it. If I take capital and take a grind and run it, it got me done. I can throw logs, fucking boulders in the middle of the track. The boys will come run over time for that shit.
And drivers, make sure you're ready back there for the motors to be strapped up right now. And the motors, please.
So,
I hear one car running back there. What's talking? Start the motors up, drivers. You need those motors. Let's go. And ease the motors, please.